Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I want to talk about two issues here, one of which was discussed by my colleague from California, which is the bill that will be up later this afternoon. While the rule allows for amendments, some of the amendments that were proposed are not going to be before us. Specifically, this bill is a blatant attempt to do two things. One, steal 800,000 acre-feet of water and transfer it to heavily subsidized farmers on the west side of the San Joaquin Valley. And secondly, completely overrule and override state law. And that's, I suppose, why states such as Colorado, Montana, New Mexico, Oregon, Wyoming, and the Western States Water Council, which is composed of the representatives of the governors of 16 western states, are all opposed to this bill. This is a terrible precedent. If you care anything about your state's ability to control their own destiny insofar as water is concerned, you do not want this bill to pass, because it is a blatant attempt by the West Side farmers to simply grab water and take total control of the California water system. It blows away all of the environmental laws of the federal government and all of the environmental laws of the state of California, and even overrides the state constitution. I cannot think of a worse policy for anyone to be supporting if you care anything at all about states' rights. In addition to that, the bill totally destroys the efforts that have been underway to solve the problems that do exist in California water. There is absolutely not one new drop of water in this bill, but there is 800,000 acre-feet stolen and delivered to the southern water contractors. For many, many reasons, it ought to be defeated. And briefly on Mr. Bishop's attempt to have his bill heard on this floor, not a bad idea. And consider for a moment that there are 26 million gallons of gasoline exported from the United States every day. Something's wrong when that's occurring. At the same time, we're finding higher and higher gas prices. I yield back.
The gentleman yields back.